Hello everyone, new Photoshop tutorial with you today. Video I want to show you is cool. It is called skin retouching method. By dividing image to color and texture layers. In fact, it is not so complicated and simply gives gorgeous result at the end. Let's go put the photo in Photoshop and start edit. First, we need to evaluate the current photo. Here we are. We need to fix a bunch of things with you. How does it works in general? This method is to separate photo's texture in a separate layer, and the color of the picture with another layer. To start, we need to create two copies of our picture main layer. By pressing on Ctrl+J, let us name them a low color layer and high texture layer. Now, how to separate color. We need to apply Gaussian blur filter from filter menu. Here, we pick a suitable degree of blur to hide any picture texture. Next is to separate picture texture. Select the hide color layer, move to image menu and to apply image. In Apple image window, we have to choose low color in layer option menu first, and subtract as binding method target here mode. Choose opacity as 100%, scale offset 2 and 12. Here is our result. To check it, if we set the blending mode for layer as linear light, then we will see that our picture have not changed at all. To start our retouches, we start with texture layer, so we copy layer and linking with below layer by pressing Alt button, then return it to normal effect. For better editing, to hide all extra layers down. But as we see, it is not so clear for editing. To solve that, we add some contrast from bending option list value by choosing curves. Contrast help us to see everything. Now every problem is in sight and clear. It is necessary to edit the texture layer. We choose the stamp tool and hiding defects on picture. After that we now can unhide color layer to see results. After few checkups we made, now we add extra option to finalize our work and get better results. To move on, next step we go to our color layer, adding new empty layer above. Now select Mixer Brush tool with the following settings. Make sure to activate Sample All Layers option. Wet 20, Load 20, Mix 20, Flow 80. Now we will correct image color. Uncheck now results by hiding color layer and compare with original one, until we get smooth face skin. Now look at previous original picture and current result. Big thank for staying till the moment and watching this video. For any comment and review, do not hesitate to keep it below.